I've had this hardwood 4x4 for a while. I planed it down, not super square, a while ago, and I've been wanting to use it to make a tool for something that requires hardwood. I just need a foot of it for now, the rest can go back into storage. I need to find its center, so I'm not really using the square here for its square edge, but using it corner to corner as a ruler, finding the middle of my piece. I'm pre-drilling both sides so the parts can go easier on it. I already had a mallet that you've probably seen in a lot of my videos, but this one I'm making now is a carving mallet that's meant to hit on chisels in the back of other tools. I've been wanting to make one since I've got this lathe, and this wood seems perfect for it. I start by using my rougher to remove the square edge and just get it into a cylinder, and then I can start working on the mallet. This takes a little bit longer with the carbide tools I found compared to using the stainless steel tools that I used to use. I'm probably going to start using both of them combined because I love the precision I get with carbide tools, but the stainless steel tools, they're just good at removing a lot of stuff really fast. Here I'm starting with the handle, so I start by the base of the actual mallet part and just go down the handle and recreate what I wanted. Now I'm doing the shape of the hand that goes thinner towards the mallet and towards the end of it. For the mallet, I'm just putting the support at a slight angle and then cutting everything so the distance between my support and the mallet is equal. That means I put slight bevel to it. Start with the rougher tools but then end with the finisher to make sure it's absolutely flat. To cut it off, I use the rougher tool and remove as much as I can before taking the handsaw. It helps keep the handsaw straight too when you have a straight edge like the top, like I'm doing now. Now I'm refining all the little details and things that I spot before I consider it finished. For the sanding, I'm using 120 grit followed by 240 grit, which I think is enough for a mallet. I'm giving it some simple butcher block oil, which is what I give to all my mallets and shop tools. I'm cutting it off with my Japanese handsaw, and I'm gonna sand the end with my oscillating sander. And then I worked on putting a hole in the handle. As you'll see, we're gonna put a strap to it. I could have used a string or something like that, but I decided to use some synthetic leather that I had. I'm gonna use some super glue to glue the two ends together and slide that part into the handle so it looks seamless. That's gonna be in my shop for years to come and hopefully not split or anything. My other mallet's still perfect after a year of hitting some random stuff, so I think this one is gonna do well too. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and see you next time.